Welcome to Danny's Den, and today we'll dive into the issues of the day about love, parenting, sports, and pop culture. Let's chat. Now, picture a Sunday. Game on, team hats everywhere, the kiddo spot on the couch sitting empty, while you juggle a paper plate and a nervous new partner by the door. That tiny first Sunday can feel huge. For you, for the kids, and sometimes for the court papers you forgot were filed. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a clear checklist, quick safety checks to run before introductions, signs your kids and you are actually ready, exact phrases you can use at different ages, how to tell a co-parent without lighting a fuse, little ritual-preserving moves for game day, and a music pick to quietly say, "This is safe." No fluff, just what to do. Let's start with safety. Not paranoia, practical checks. Before anyone meets your kids, ask, are there safety concerns like convictions or protective orders? If the answer is yes, you need more information. Sense something off? Slow down. Would you leave your child alone with this person for an hour? If you hesitate, pause. Concrete steps that won't take forever. A basic public records look, a direct but calm conversation about safety history, and noticing how they answer. Do they get defensive or open up? Right there, tone tells you a lot. If someone dodges, that's a flag. Share custody paperwork only when it's truly relevant. Keep sensitive documents private. I'll be blunt. Delaying an introduction isn't cruel. It's responsible. I once worked with a parent who paused, did a quick check, and later avoided a custody dispute because they had that record to point to. That pause mattered. Social media's the modern shoebox of family life, so be intentional. Don't broadcast introductions. Don't tag the kids on a partner's public profile for a while. Tighten privacy settings and keep a copy of important messages if you think conflict might flare. If there's high conflict in your co-parenting, think before you post anything that could be used later. Okay, emotional readiness. How do you tell if your kids are actually ready? Look for curiosity without clinginess. Questions instead of shutdown. Small moments of normal play when the idea comes up. Age matters. Preschoolers need short, concrete lines. Elementary kids need routine and reassurance. Teens want respect, honesty, and time to process. You can't make them move faster than they feel safe. And parents, quick self-check. Are you trying to fix loneliness by speeding toward introductions? Be honest. If conversations about your ex are still raw, hit pause. If your kids have been acting out, wait. Delays are boring, but they're protective. Words matter. Scripts save you from oversharing and from saying something that feels good in the moment, but confuses a child later. For preschoolers, I want you to meet my friend. We're going to watch the game together. You can sit where you always sit. Elementary kids, I've been dating someone for a little while. I want you to meet them when you're ready. Nothing will change with your weekends unless we talk about it. Say that slowly and let them respond. I care how you feel. I'll introduce you when it feels right for you. Tell me what you need. Give them a real out. Pressure ruins first impressions. If a kid blurts, "Is this my new mom?" Answer, "Not today. This is someone I care about. We'll see how things go." Honest, low pressure, repeatable. Now, telling a co-parent. If your custody order requires notice, follow the order. If it doesn't, you still want to give heads up. Notice, not permission. Try a short, neutral message. I wanted to let you know I'm seeing someone. No changes to parenting time. I'll let you know before any first meeting with the kids. Keep it factual, not defensive. If your co-parent is high conflict, consider a mediator or attorney to craft that message, and always document it. Text or email gives you a record. Don't bait, don't justify. That's how small notes stay small. Preserving rituals is one of the kindest stabilizers you can give a child. Keep Eagle Sundays or Yankees nights sacred. Keep their spot on the couch, the same snacks, the halftime snack rituals. If your partner wants to join, introduce them to the ritual first. Don't replace it. Rituals say, life still makes sense. Music helps too. Pick a short, familiar track that signals family time, something upbeat and comforting. My pick? Mariah Carey's Always Be My Baby. Low volume, background warmth. It signals a feeling, not a person, and feelings help kids settle into a new routine. Before we close, 3 quick takeaways. 1. Do the basic safety checks and honor red flags. 2. Pace introductions to your child's emotional readiness, not your calendar. 3. Preserve rituals and communicate to co-parents in neutral, documented ways. If you hit criminal records, protective orders, or any aggressive behavior, pause and talk to a family attorney. This is guidance, not legal advice. If this episode helped, subscribe for more short, practical conversations about law, love, parenting, and sports. And if you have a specific legal issue you'd like assistance with, send me a direct message or email Danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation to see if I can help. You can also drop a comment below. Thanks for listening to Danny's Den. Let's chat. Thanks for spending this time with me. Be gentle with yourself during transitions. Routines and clear words matter more than rushed decisions. Until next time, keep your snacks stocked and your seat warm.